Hello guys, good morning. Today is Friday and I want just to tell you something about brokers as I have talked before. I was advertising a lot for my broker. Um, it is very easy and the platform for me it was very easy and everything was on one page. And then what did happen is that Option House, which is my broker, has been bought with Trade Master broker by another big broker. As I told you before, big fish eats small fish. Now, if you are at Trade Master broker or you are at Options House broker, you don't belong anymore to these two brokers. You are belonging to another broker who bought both of them. Okay, now right now they are using Trade Master platform. So for me before, I don't like this kind of platforms. Okay, so now after 28th of January we are obliged to use this Trade Master, and the platform that I liked before, which was very simple and they showed some videos, has gone forever. I don't know even where this platform has gone because okay, I don't know. So and I think the commission is 4.97. For me it's 3.97 because I opened my broker before. So this broker has bought two brokers that are small, Trade Master and Options House. Now what did happen? Here is the worst things I can expect. The first thing is because right now they have a lot of customers. Okay, so it means Trade Master customers, I don't know how many thousands they have, and Options House customers all together are in one account. What does it mean for us as traders and investors? What does it mean? It means when you call them, you can't reach them in 1 minute or two. So you should wait half an hour, 45 minutes, I don't know. So for me to wait half an hour for a call, this I would never accept. Okay? I will never accept because when I need help, there's something in my account or a trade or something, I need immediate help, 1 minute or two, whatever. But to wait half an hour to get a response, or maybe you don't get. Okay, suppose that you at 3:30 there is a problem, and you call them and you wait until 4 the market is closed. So what can you do? You should wait after 4, and after 4 they can do nothing because the market has closed and everything will be difficult. So for me right now, I'm thinking to go to interactive brokers. I know for you guys, for almost all the people who have small account, you can't go there, okay? Because the minimum is $10,000. If you don't have $10,000, you can't go to interactive brokers. Now, what's the good thing about interactive brokers? The thing is, the shares you can do a trade by shares, and 100 shares is only $1. Now, if you are buying some big stocks like $100, $90, $120 a share, so it's good for you because you only pay $1 for 100 shares, and this for me is something good. I told you before that I have been with interactive brokers, but I stopped like 2 years or 3 years ago because of their platform. Now, for me, I'm trying right now and think seriously to go back to interactive brokers. The only thing that attracts me there is the commission. I always talk to you about commission because a lot of people, especially the beginners, they don't understand how much it affects your trading performance. I will give you an example. Let's say you do 100 trades a year. Let's say a year you do 100 trades. 100, it means 100 you buy, 100 you sell. So in general, you have done 200 transactions. Okay, 200 transactions. When you buy, it is one transaction. When you sell, it's another transaction, and you pay commission. Let's say, I just give you an example. Let's say $5 commission. Okay. Now, if you buy and you sell, okay, let's say 100 transactions you buy, 100 transactions you sell. So you have done 100 trades in a year. So how much money are you spending? 200 transactions by 5 is 1,000. Each year your account is going down 1,000. It's just because of commission. It's not because of your trading, or you are good or bad at trading. It's just so your broker, you are feeding your broker with too much money. $1,000 is too much money. For me, I do around 500 trades. It means 1,000. So I'm spending like $5,000 a year just for commission. Okay. Now, before with option house, I don't want to leave option house because first they give me 3.95. It means nearly $4. Now, why I don't want to leave option house before? Because I like the platform, the standard platform they had before. It was one of the easiest platform that I have ever seen. Everything in one page. You see your positions, you see your day, PL, it means your performance in a day, in a month, and a year. You see all your positions, you see all your stop loss orders, everything in one page. So whenever you are in the account, everything is set up, so you don't need to change pages. Now, when this broker, which is Option House, has been bought by another company, big company, okay? Now, right now they use TradeMaster platform. TradeMaster platform, it is easy, but the problem is that they have a way to see everything, but it's ugly. I don't like it. And because they are like boxes, a lot of boxes in on the screen, and I hate that. And you should need to go from one page to another page to another page to another page. Okay, and this frustrates me. I haven't been used to that. Okay, it was before, it was very easy. That's why the conclusion that I want to tell you is that you should think about what we call adaptation. Think of yourself. Don't think about anyone else when you are doing trading. So for me right now, I'm thinking to move to interactive brokers for the reason of commission. Okay? And you told me why you don't go before. Okay, I have been before with interactive brokers. There is another thing which is frustrating, little frustrating about interactive brokers, is that in order to log in, they give you a card with numbers, and it takes time just to enter to your account. And this for me, it was just little frustrating. With option house before, it's just like a normal thing. Your ID, user ID, and password. That's it, and you enter. But because interactive brokers, it's a big broker, online discount broker. It's a very large one, and you can trade everything you want. International markets, you can do whatever you want, options, futures, commodities, everything you want. That's why it is one of the biggest in America and international. So this is the thing that it is not good, which is when you want to enter, they make it hard for you to enter. Why? Because of the security thing. Okay, so that's it. It means they want to make secure their broker, because there are a lot of money there. Now, this video, what's the conclusion that I want to tell you is that you always try to see your expenses. How much money you are spending each month on commissions or fees if you are doing margin account. Fees, it means when you short or when you borrow money from your broker, which is margin account. So try always to see these fees, because these fees, it's your profits and it's your capital. It's like a disease. Okay, it's like a disease. So you should control this very much. Okay, and don't just trade like this and you don't worry about anything, because the problem is sometimes you see your account is shrinking and is going down and you are losing money, but sometimes it's because of your commissions. Someone before has sent me an email and he told me, okay, I am paying a 9.99 in one of the big brokers, a big service brokers. And I told him, you are losing $20 in each trade. It means when you buy a stock, you sell a stock, $20. Okay? If you do 100 trades, like transactions, you will spend $2,000 each year. Just this money is a free money to your broker, because the broker does do nothing. Okay? You trade, he takes his commission. So it's a good thing for him, but it's not a good thing for us. So as a trader, so we should try to find the best commission for us. Okay, best commission that I find interactive brokers. I don't know if there exist other brokers that give this $1 commission, and it's like the minimum that you do. And almost all brokers, they are having like $5 or $6 or $7 a commission. But believe me, if you calculate your commission, you will get astonished and surprised how your broker is taking too much money from you. It's just because you don't think about commission as a big expense. Because think about it. There is what you call, they say that there is Robin Hood brokers who they say that you can use the cell phone and you have no commission. But this broker is new, and a lot of people, they say when they call they don't respond. Believe me, here is the deal. If you call your broker and he does not answer you when you call, this is a big problem, because sometimes you need the broker for something that happens in your account and you don't know what's the solution, or what's the thing. So your broker should be someone, when you call, you should take your call and you speak with the representative directly and very quickly. Okay, like right now in options house, when I call them, it takes half an hour. I will never tolerate this anymore. Okay, because they just change in 28th of January, and this is a big problem for me, because I don't want, when I call my broker, to wait half an hour, and what is the answer? They say, oh, we have a lot of customers. Okay, you have a lot of customers, but for me, I can't wait. I don't wait for stocks. How can I wait for a broker? Okay, I buy a stock today, at the end of the day, $20, for example, or 50 or 100. Tomorrow it doesn't go up, I put stop loss, I'm out. I don't wait for anyone. This is my principle in life. I don't wait. Okay, I am not an investor to wait 10 years or 20 years to see my stocks is going up. Never. Okay, I buy a stock, it goes up, it's good for me, I'm making money, I am with it. It goes down against me, I am out. Telling me that the stock will go up again, it doesn't work for me, it works for you. Okay, go with it. Okay, now so this is just some ideas and some comments and some suggestions that I am having here in this video. What is the main idea is that you should adapt and see your expenses in your business. Adapt yourself. Okay, if you see something that harms you from a broker or from anything else, you should change that, and you don't get hypnotized. Because a lot of people of you, if I ask you right now, you have a broker, it charges you $6, $7, or $9 for a transaction, like for commission. Let's say it is $6, and you are okay, you don't care about it. But when you buy a stock and you sell it for $6, and $6 is $12. If you do 10, 20, 30 trades a month, try to multiply this by 6. Okay, so commission is a lot of expense, so you should look at your commission and try to change that. Okay, this broker asked me for $6 commission. Okay, I will change it for a broker that asked me 2 or 1 or 3. Now for me, I gain money because I minimize my expenses. And as I told you before, always, trading is a business. It's not a gambling that you buy a stock and you leave it 10 months or 1 year or 10 years. This is investing. This is not trading. So you should make a difference. When you trade, you have more expense than when you invest. For example, an investor, let's say someone wants to invest in 2 or 3 companies. He buys the companies, shares, and that's it. And he will leave them in their account for many years, and then he will check if his investment is going up or going down. But for us, we are traders, or swing traders, or day traders, or scalpers. So we don't wait for years to see our trade. For swing trader, you should see the second day. You try to see if it's going up or no. Okay, so only 1 day you wait. You don't wait 1 year. You wait only 1 day. So commission is very, very important. Okay, so this is just some suggestions, some ideas that I have about my broker, about my intentions to change it maybe in March. So because I don't like the way it is, customer service takes long, half an hour. and the way the platform is, I don't like it. With options house before, it was better. Everything is one page. So I'm trying to make a decision and to move all my account, all my money, and that's it. This is good for me. It's not good for the broker to leave him, but believe me, there should be some news of a lot of traders uh, who leave this kind of platforms right now. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, as usual, comment or thumb it up or send me a private message. The email is always in the description on the bottom. Just send me an email and I will answer you in due time. Thank you very much and have a nice day.